Wall Street Mania. What up? This is a highly requested video that I want to go over with you guys. A lot of you have messaged me about this, and this is the day. So you have went over the information, you are ready to start. You want to start, but you don't know where to go. And there's a lot of YouTube videos that tell you this. Well, you're at the right one. I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. Super easy. I am a futures day trader, so I'm going to show you how to set up a futures account. There are different things that you can do in the stock market. There is the normal OG stock market. You can do Forex, you can do options, crypto, and futures. I'm a former options trader. I've joined futures and I've never looked back since. So let's jump straight into it. All right, people. First and foremost, we need a broker. So if you guys started off like me in trading or know anything about Robinhood, you can use that and locate it on your phone. You can download on any Android or iPhone. Robinhood is the broker. You can also, or you may have also heard of things like Webull as well. This is exactly the same thing for Tradovate. Tradovate is the broker. So we're going to go to Tradovate.com and it's going to show you this screen right here. Once you are here, it's going to ask you to open up an account. Now, I can't tell you exactly how it looks because mine is already set up as far as getting things going, but they're going to ask you a lot of your personal questions, your W-2 information as well, banking information to get everything set up. That way it's legit. It's a business. Once you have all that, you are going to go and you're going to log in. Now, for mine, okay. I was gonna say mine was probably already logged in, but maybe not. Tradovate is completely free. The add-ons are what make this thing cost. Once you are in, it is going to show you 3 selections of trading modes. You can do live trading, market, replay, and simulation. We obviously are going to do live trading. All right, so now that we are into Tradovate, we're going to see a bunch of screens. Yours is going to look completely different from mine. What I want you to do is come up to the X and close every single thing out that you see. Close them all out, all right? Now, we're going to come over to Add Module. Left-hand corner, we're going to click this. We are going to click the Super DOM. Now, we're not going to just click it. We're going to click and hold and drag it to the left side. We're going to come up and we're going to add another one and we're going to add the charts. These are the only 2 I use. You guys can add whatever you want. I'm just telling you what I use. From this point, since I trade the S&P 500, which is ES, we're just going to type in ES. Click the first one, boom. On the right hand side, or depending on what the order is, on the right hand side, this is going to show you your chart. This is the graph, how the market is moving, your time, everything all on this side. On the left side, this is going to be the DOM. So basically, whenever I click buy, it's not going to allow me to execute a buy, obviously. But whenever I click buy, this is going to show me exactly how much I'm making. So let's say I start right here in the middle. 1 second. For this sake, we're just going to take myself off the screen. So let's say I start right here in the middle. If I am in on buys, it is going to show me every single price there is on how much I can make. So you may start off with $12, $24, $36, and it'll go up. And the minute that price moves up, that's how much I'm making on that trade. Vice versa as far as a sale. If I'm in for a sale, it's going to tell me how much I can make and also how much I can lose on that trade. You click buy, you click exit when you're satisfied with the amount, and that's it. Another thing, so you guys can get familiar with it. If we look in the middle, it's going to tell you how much you have in your account right here. And we're going to go all the way to the right-hand corner and click this, the settings. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to subscriptions. You want to come down to market data. Click subscribe. I suggest if you are trading exactly what I'm trading, which is your futures, your ES, your NASDAQ, you want to click the CME group. You click that, you click update. That's only $12 a month. That's going to give you access to everything I trade, which is the S&P 500, which is NASDAQ, and a couple other things as well. Next thing you want to do is you want to come over here to add-ons. Now, you don't have to do this. I trade through TradingView, But if you wanted to link your Tradovate and your TradingView together, I got tongue tied there. You can click TradingView. It's $9.99 a month. You don't have to, but we'll get to this later and I'll explain this later. But besides that, we're going to come back over to accounts. Actually, we'll do transfers and payments. If you guys wanted to add money to your account, this is where you want to do it. You want to fund the account, or if you want to pull some money out of a trade, same thing, you hit withdraw. I believe that takes about 2 to 3 business days to add in and also take out as well. All your personal information will be right here. You can update credit card information as well. That is pretty much it for the Tradovate part of it on how to set that up. Next, let's move over to TradingView. All right, so once we are here at TradingView.com, this is where the fun happens. Right now, they are running a Cyber Monday sale, so you can jump on that if you want to pay by the year and kind of save money. But besides that, you can stroll down. Again, TradingView is also free, but I would suggest the first basic package. This is going to allow you to have so many indicators, no ads, and more importantly, it's going to allow you to have the bar replay. Now, what is the bar replay? This is going to allow you to backtest. Basically, it's going to allow you to go back and pretend as if the market is executing in that day, which is going to allow you to get a little bit more practice in. You can do the plus and the premium, but the first packet for me is more than enough, and that's just $12.95. I've never had any issues out of it, and that's that. Moving on, once you are in, you're going to go to search. I'm going to show you a little trick here. I told you guys earlier, I'm a futures trader, so if you want to know what all you can trade under futures, you can stroll over and it's going to be a futures category, which is going to be your NASDAQ, your NQ, S&P 500, a couple other things. If you guys want, I can make a separate video to go into a little bit more detail, but obviously I trade ES every day, so we're going to launch the ES category. Finally, once we have every single thing set up, and that's just say that you guys are like me and you're like, hey, I want to trade through TradingView because Darius does it and he's cool, and just follow me on this. So earlier, remember we set up the TradingView account through Tradovate, right? For the $9.99. How do you link it? Come down to the trading panel, click it. You may have to stroll up. And you're going to search for the platform that you use. There's a lot of different trading platforms and brokers. Webull, again, we trade Tradovate, so we're going to link our Tradovate account. And once we are there, this is going to be highlighted. And from that point, you are actually able to trade. Now, how do you trade? Simply put, you click buy and you click sell right in this right hand corner. Actually, let me zoom in. Now, how do you execute a buy and a sell order? Simply coming up here to the left hand corner, you can click buy right here and you can click sell. And obviously, I tell you what, let me log in first. I'll show you guys. All right, so right now I'm logged in. Once you are logged in, you're going to know you logged in because these two colors will be actually filled in. Blue for buy, red for sell. In the middle, this is going to show you how many contracts. So if you want to get in on one contract or two contract, you just change it right here. But in order to initiate a sell or a buy, you just simply click that button. Plain and simple. All right, guys. So for this instance, remember we talked about earlier on the backtesting part of it. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to come in the center where it says replay, bar replay. You're going to click it. Well, mine, I was already in it. So that's click replay. And you can basically go back as far as you want and you just click and it's going to leave you there. So let's pretend that we are going in for a back test. And I wanted to say, kind of simulate the market that the price is going to go up. So we obviously know the price is going to go up. When you are back testing, your buy and your sales are going to be down here in on the right hand side. And when you're actually in the market, it's going to be in the left hand corner at the top. So that way you can know the difference. But let's just say that we get in for a buy right here. Boom. As price moves up, you see that we are clearly making money. Besides that, people, that is all I have for you. I hope this video really helped out. Remember, you guys can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, Wall Street Mania. And remember, you can join my Discord. It's completely free for right now, but starting January 1st, I will be charging. It would be a monthly fee of $65 per month. So join it anytime. Besides that, guys, God bless. Enjoy your Sunday. Peace.